So here's my V-gate. Believe it was Callaway's design, and so I've tried it. A lot of things I've seen on the internet are people using magnets to create their gate. As you can see, I've used just steel zinc screws opposed to magnets so that I could place these closer. They're number 8 screw. I have this whole area is a 6 by 22. It's the glass. The screws are in there at around 21 inches. And so here I have my neodynium magnet. 5 of them. These two repelling, holding these washers as guides along the edge of the rail. You see how that works. So yeah, we just place this bad boy here at the top of the gate. You can see not a whole lot of speed, and I've got some brass screws here to stop it, because magnets aren't very cheap. However, this setup, isn't too bad considering the fact that there's not 25-30 magnets involved. I really probably only need these 3 and some spacers, and that's just to keep this centered for right now as a test. So, there we go again. So, V-gate, no magnets. Give it a shot.